Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. It's going to be a happy chappy one. It's called Beautiful Sunday, made well known by Daniel Boone in 1972, and I've made of course my own arrangement. And again, it's a very happy chappy song. Hopefully you're going to enjoy it. I also want to say a very warm welcome to all my new subscribers of the channel. Yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you're going to enjoy my music and my songs. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and have a great weekend. Bye bye. Ciao ciao everyone.
Sunday sa morning, may sakay may jeep. Ang akong kauban ng ipid-ipid. Kay ang amaw nakalimot pang brief. Ang iyang kaatbang nagngisi-ngisi. Kay ang iyang bunal nagkisi-kisi. Itago na kring. 1, 2, 3, itago na pari. Kay maka-ulaw-ula, binag mo break free. Gihikap sa iyang tapat ang amaw na kalibre. Wow, wow, bye, 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 pagkawagi silbi. Ang ruta sa jeep Alabang Makati. Ang iyang atbang bantog kay nagisi. Grabe yung gwapa sa taga Malati. Ang akong kauban diligyod kamuhon. Una pa nila kita silang duway nakon. Hey, 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 di ay walker si ate. 1, 2, 3, itago na pari. Kay maka-ula-ula, binag mo break free. Gihikap sa iyang tapad ang amaw na kalibre. Oh, bye, 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 pagkawagi silbi. 1, 2, 3, itago na pari. Kay maka-ula-ula, binag mo break free. Gihikap sa iyang tapad ang amaw na kalibre. Oh, bye, 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 pagkawagi silbi. Beautiful Sunday, Bisaya version, composed by Wawix Youth Camp.